Hello, welcome to another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question. If you'd like to choose another question from the same topic of progressive and stationary waves, click on the information badge here. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer 8, well done. If you didn't, listen to my explanation. 2 points on a progressive wave have a phase difference of pi/6 radians. The speed of the wave is 340 meters per second. What is the frequency of the wave when the minimum distance between the 2 points is 0.12 meters? Okay, so let's just have a quick look at a wave. Let's draw one wavelength or one phase of a wave. If we say this is at point 0 in its phase, we could say all the way along is 2 pi, and then halfway through its phase would be pi radians. So the point pi/6 is going to be somewhere around about here. Well, we know that we've got these 2 points and they are pi/6 radians out of phase. What we do is we could find out how much of one whole wavelength pi/6 radians is, or how much of one complete cycle pi/6 radians is. So if I divide 2 pi, which is one complete cycle, if I divide that by pi/6, I'm going to discover that that answer is 12. So there are 12 pi/6s in one complete phase of the wave. And we know the physical distance between those 2 points is 0.12 meters. So if I multiply my 12 by 0.12 meters, I get an answer of 1.44 meters, and that's a complete wavelength. So I've calculated that distance there to be 1.44 meters. Now we actually want to find the frequency of a wave, so I'm going to use the equation the velocity equals the frequency multiplied by the wavelength. Rearranging, I get the wavelength is equal to the speed. Sorry, I'm trying to find the frequency. The frequency is equal to the speed over the wavelength. The speed, we're told, is 340 meters per second. The wavelength we've just calculated at 1.44 meters. Put that into your calculator and you'll get an answer of 236 hertz, or approximately 240 hertz. There's the answer A. Please subscribe if you found this video useful. Give me a like, share with people who will also find this useful and interesting, and watch more of the same. Thank you very much.